Oh yes, indeedly doodly, it's that time of the show. You know, with so many underperforming websites out there, this segment is laser focused on ensuring yours isn't one of them. To get your website found and your phone ringing, we're joined by Dave Jennings, aka DJ, of Melbourne SEOservices.com. DJ, what's on your mind?
Have you ever had that experience where you visit a website and you see down in the footer, they've just got hundreds of these suburb pages, right? And you click on one or two of them, it's almost exactly the same wording on each one, but they find and replace the suburb name.
What's that about?
That is trying to game the search engines. Google is so much smarter than that.
Google is quite smart. Probably the smartest person I know.
Now they're really good. They identify that as spam.
Right.
And if you've got that on your website,
You'll get spanked.
it's a ticking time bomb.
It is.
And Google will spank you.
Right.
So
what would you do?
Well, what I would do, I think there's a much better way to rank for these geographic terms. You would set up case studies on your blog, and the case study would be about your clients and the suburb that they live in.
Yeah, nice.
So it's a great way to create content that Google loves and also your prospects will love as well.
I like that. Is that a case study on the website, like a blog post, or a case study button?
Yes, you should be running these segments yourself. That's
Genius.
exactly what it is.
Thank you.
Now, if people want more help, there's a 3-minute quiz that I've put together. It can help you identify little quick fixes like this that you can make on your site to make sure that Google and your prospects love you. If you want to see that, it'll give you some step-by-step suggestions on what to do. Just email dave@melbourneseoservices.com and ask for the DIY website quiz, and I'll email it to you.
Thanks, DJ.